It is a real account, guys, as you can see, and the broker that I am using is Exynos. Alright, you can see that I managed I managed to grow this account from 27k all the way to 114k. Now, what I am going to do is that I'm going to go through each and every single one of these trades and explain my entry reasons, starting with USD JPY. So the reason why I took this entry here on USD JPY is simply because over here I have a supply candle, as you can see over here. Okay guys, don't mind me, okay? It's just that I am too excited because of this profit, as I will manage to pay for my school fees. Okay, but never mind that. Let me go back and explain. Okay, as you can see over here we have a supply candle. Some people will call it an order block right there. As you can see, it formed. So a supply candle forms when price makes a big push or a big rally to the downside. The last grand candle before the big up move, we call it a supply. As you can see, price formed a supply, then it went down, came back to the supply. I sold, as you can see, price managed to go into my expected direction right there. Now let's go to the pound dollar, aka GBP USD. On GBP USD, so on GBP USD, on the 1 hour time frame, we have a resistance. As you can see, this resistance right here, it broke. So immediately as price broke this resistance, I took a buy entry. As you can see, price was going to resistance with big momentum, and I knew that once price breaks this resistance, it's going to continue to the upside, and it did right there on GBP USD. Now let's go to gold, and aka XAU USD. On XAU USD, on the weekly time frame, you can see weekly we were going up. We see we were forming a huge momentum. So I was only looking for a buying confirmation, meaning I was only looking for buy trades. So what led to me to buy, what orchestrated my buy on XAU USD? So as you can see, on the 1 hour time frame, I have a demand. So when I have a demand forms when price makes a big push to the upside. The last red candle before the big push to the upside, it is a demand. Some people will call it an order block, but I will say it is a demand. This demand orchestrated my buy entry. Now, what was my confirmation for this buy entry? My confirmation was this trend line. As you can see, were first touch, second touch. Now, when it comes to the third touch, you can see price came to the third touch while it was also in a demand area. This was enough proof for me to take a buy entry. Like, it was boosting my confidence to take this buy entry. Now let's go to the last trade, which is the euro dollar or the euro USD. On the euro USD, we also have the same setup. As you can see, price over here formed another demand. As you can see right here, I mark it from its lowest week all the way to its highest week. Then when price came into this demand, I did not buy yet. I waited for some sort of a confirmation. So when price was being volatile, it went down. Then I told myself, okay, I'm not going to take this entry. But then price went up again. When price went up again with big momentum, after it went down, it was signaling to me that I need to buy it. So that's when I bought. But I was busy, doing assignments, blah blah blah. Ish, guys, I'm a student and a trader. I was focused on assignments and my other endeavors. Then I did not have time to close this entry, so that's why I took a big L. Wow, guys, this thing is returning. Let me close it. So overall, I made someone's salary. Maybe is it an accountant's salary? I don't know. So guys, I don't mean to brag on you and I don't mean to flex on any of you watching this video, but yeah, you can see how much I made.